Okay, so I took some liquid nails. I have a Husqvarna tractor and I have a seat that is coming off from the plastic. I don't know what glue they use, but I decided to try some liquid nails, seeing that's what I had. And I'm just going to take the foam seat and put it back on here. As you can see, I put the liquid nails, I put the liquid nails all throughout on the protrusions and all around the periphery. And I'm going to squeeze the seat back in and use some clamps to put it back. And I don't know how well it will work in the heat, but that's what I have, so I'm going to try that out. Alright, as usual, they use substandard materials to begin with, so it doesn't last very long. I have had this tractor about 12 or 13 years now, and it has 415 miles on it, 415 hours on it. So it's been going for a while, but I try to keep it good, polish them up when I can. Certain things are broken, like the shield here. The wheels are kind of worn out, the adjustment wheels, so I'm getting replacements for those. Generally, it's an okay tractor. It's probably the same as a John Deere, I would say. You know, the deck has pretty good steel in it. The body is pretty good steel. It hasn't really rusted. But I think they use the same transmission, which is the tough torque. And you know, with care, you could get them to last for a while. But there are certain things that are irritating, such as this. So I'm just going to stick it back together and put some clamps on it, and I guess the next time I ride it, which is in about a week time, I'll see how well it has worked. Alright, let me know what you think. So this is the end result of putting some liquid nails on the seat. It isn't pretty, but it's connected now, it's not coming off. So if your foam seat is coming off the backing, the plastic backing, you could use something like liquid nails, just put it on the surfaces and just squeeze it together. Right, I didn't have a clamp to hold it in place, so I just put it over on the seat and I put something heavy on top of it to hold this, to keep the two of them together, and that works pretty well. So hope that helps you.